Hello, welcome to the 2017 Roundtable. It's me and my niggas. My name is Mike, I'll be your host. Got Marcus.
Marcus Pitts.
Andre.
I mean, I guess I know him for a while.
Malik. Niggas. He got 2 phones. Great. So I wanted to start off talking about Bitcoin because obviously it's something that I've been talking a lot to everybody I know about lately. If anybody doesn't know, Bitcoin obviously is managed by this new blockchain technology where it's basically anytime somebody records any sort of transaction, the data therein is segmented and fragmented among many different devices around the world, or so is the concept. And so we've just been told that this is a more efficient way of doing it. For me, I just look at it like, this is gonna be great to try to make the quick come up, obviously.
A way to lose your money.
When 2017 started, Bitcoin was trading just below $1,000, up from the usual $600 to $700 range. JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon said Bitcoin was a fraud. Warren Buffett called the whole thing a joke. And Goldman Sachs CEO Lloyd Blankfein, well, he can't seem to make up his mind. He doesn't like it.
Is that what you're saying?
It could be. I mean, it sounds like, Andre, you made a little bit of money.
Don't be just telling people that.
Oh,
You ain't
okay.
doing about money.
Excuse me.
Good.
Shoot.
It's all down right now. All the
It is all
cryptocurrencies.
down right now, though. I'm not really happy about that. But I'm waiting for
down.
New
The
Year.
past week.
We should be
Yeah.
good, though.
I mean, I think as soon as they continue to list new currencies on Coinbase and other,
Wait, can I ask why you decided to invest?
I think I actually got in like everybody else did about Thanksgiving when I just seen everything rising. I think it was really, I forget where I heard about it first, but I just looked into it and it just seemed like a good opportunity. It wasn't hard to sign up. I mean, I knew a little bit about the technology. Actually, I've been wanting to get in for like half a year, and then,
You was too scared?
I mean, I don't think that the impetus was really there until.
You don't feel like it's all completely speculation though? Like the only reason people are jumping in is FOMO, fear of missing out.
Could be.
Is that why you jumped in?
I mean, I think a little bit, but I mean at the same.
Not a good reason.
That's true. That's true. But at
That's
the
not a good
same
reason.
at the same time, like, if you're in early enough on the trend, you can still make money.
Yeah, but early was a year or 2 years ago.
Early was like 2 months ago.
No, early is, he's right, a couple years ago.
2 months ago was 10,000.
Yeah, no, at best, at the beginning of 2017, it was $1,000. That's for, like he said, FOMO. Like,
When I was looking at Litecoin, I think the first time it was like $54, and that's coming into November.
That's not Bitcoin, though.
Okay,
All
I'm
the
talking about
alternative
cryptocurrencies, yeah.
Okay, you're right. But like Marcus just said, it's a very volatile market in general, and everyone knows it as Bitcoin, not Litecoin or Ethereum or Ripple. They're starting to learn about all the other ones, but it's the marketing Bitcoin. It's like Kleenex. You think about tissue. Kleenex has the market when it comes to that. I mean, there's puffs and everything else, but you're not gonna say pass me the puffs.
Bitcoin is the gold, right? That the rest of the economy will work off of. And then you have all these altcoin where, of course, you can make a lot of money if you get in super early, but it's not going to be like that.
Yeah, but early was 2 years ago.
I mean, you're talking about.
The only people jumping in are like the laymen.
I got
People
in.
who didn't know about it.
If I would have held my position from when I got in mid-November until just this past month, it was up like 300%.
That could all go away in January. I'm in the same position.
Or if I
as
would have
you.
just cashed out, I'd be making money.
Well, I'm in the same position as you. Like, I held. I'm good. But am I going to stay good?
And what about
you can lose that like
That's
that.
why you got to take some off the table.
What about the security of it?
I mean,
That's another aspect.
Government should be fully transparent, and we as individuals should have the right to privacy, a right that's been encoded since the Magna Carta. And blockchain technologies actually give us the ability to do that. You can actually track things quite effectively in the blockchain. What you can't do is ubiquitous surveillance.
I don't have an issue with the security, really. I mean, for me, I wouldn't put any money in.
Don't be wishing out all my money.
Nah, real talk. Another week
I wouldn't put any money
is another
into it.
exchange getting hacked.
I wouldn't put any money into it I wasn't willing to lose, to be quite honest.
That's the best way to go about it. Right?
For me, I'm young, I have way less risk reverse. I'm more welcome to risk now.
So you wouldn't consider yourself a conservative in that aspect?
Not until later, I would say, probably.
All right, so I don't know much about the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but when you put your money in, I heard that you need to, once you put it in, you need to put it into a different wallet so it doesn't get hacked.
So once you don't have to do that.
If you want it secure.
You're right, but it also takes a lot longer to take transactions or even buy or sell or anything like that. There is a lot more in Coinbase is doing with it. I don't honestly know. I was looking into it and out of pure laziness, I wasn't going to do nothing about it.
Sure.
So I wanted to be able to buy and sell almost immediately. It's like I want to say 3 to 4 waiting period days or something like that. And you have to like a special key.
When you put your money in Coinbase, there's no way you transfer that money into a wallet. It's just in
No, you
Coinbase.
put the money in Coinbase and you have your own wallet, and then you can transfer it to other wallets where you have the same like QR code, or a different QR code, excuse me, and then you can kind of pivot in between without. So like,
where's the wallet at? It's
so,
not on Coinbase.com. Where's the wallet at?
No, we do have a Coinbase wallet. For any platform that you're managing your cryptocurrencies, there's a unique wallet address for each of those individual currencies. So there's a unique alphanumeric for your Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, whatever, specific to Coinbase.
So what's next?
All
I
right.
think we can talk about it in nauseam.
Next, we'll talk about.
Wait. Before we leave cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, what do you see in the future? 2018.
You investing more money?
I'll probably put a little bit more money in.
No matter what. You're not even paying attention
I'll
to the last
wait.
2 weeks?
I have. I mean, but I pay attention to the greater macro, and I see their hedge funds. I have college friends on LinkedIn who now work in positions that are specific to Bitcoin. I don't see this entire industry just going away.
No, not the industry, but investing in the cryptocurrency specifically. I would
Oh man,
100%
Bitcoin
invest
itself.
in blockchain.
Yeah.
That's the future.
I think there's a lot of assets that are just their values based off supply and demand. They're like baseball cards, and I think Bitcoin's the same thing. I have bought some. I bought it through an ETN based on a Swedish exchange because that gave me liquidity as
Pure
opposed
Bitcoin?
Pure Bitcoin, yeah. And I'm also involved with ICOs, actually token sales, because I think blockchain is a great platform for future applications.
Yeah.
But you don't know which cryptocurrency is
No,
gonna take
you
the
don't
lead.
know which one.
I don't mean to detract from this. I was talking to my coworker today. He was talking about, I can't remember the name of the company, Tonto or something like that. It was some weird name, but basically they're going to do away with the types of cryptocurrencies that already exist in the next 3 to 4 years because of quantum computers, essentially.
Sheesh.
And they'll be able to do away with blockchaining and all the stuff that
What they say,
blockchain moves very
energy?
slow. I don't know how much power they consume, but they're supposed to be stronger computers, be able to work faster, and basically everything that Bitcoin, altcoin do in general is going to kind of surpass that. And your money's not going to be safe. It's not really going to be worth the time, and it has a lot more it can do.
Yeah, I think it's only going to get better. Like a new cryptocurrency is just only going to improve it.
The more I see the headlines, like Barclays having this huge thing with Ethereum.
Another big bank maybe dipping its toe in the water.
But look, we talked about Barclays yesterday on the show. They have this activist investor. Jess Staley, he's very keen to use the investment bank to ramp up the shareholder returns for Barclays. So this could be an area for them.
Just the headline I saw or whatever. The more I'm, I mean, it's not going away next year.
Segue.